Are you a manager? Performance is your spearhead, and you probably already have many actions set up in your quest for excellence. So to help you get that extra mile, let's take a look at the 5 main steps that characterize a lean manager. To start off with, you must control your territory. By this we mean knowing what the limits of your working area are. It also means identifying the resources you have. Controlling your territory also means creating your own neat, tidy and secure little area, which will enable you and your teams to spot anomalies immediately. Putting your workspace in order will also give you the chance to give meaning to what is visible and make all the important things visible again. The key to success for this first step is to keep your area up to 5S standards and to make regular field visits so that you are made directly aware of the problems of your co-workers. Once you gain control of your area, you can get to grips with the second step of the lean manager by doing some vital work with your team in order to define and align your contribution with the performance of the company. This second step is essential as it will give meaning to all your actions and those of your co-workers. To succeed here, you must start by identifying your customers and what they expect from you. You can then define the performance indicators that measure the satisfaction of your customers. Based on your main indicators, it is possible for you to study the processes to make sure they match what is required, and so that they create added value for your customers. With a detailed roadmap of your process, you will then be able to identify the workable indicators to be tracked on a daily basis in order to guide your actions and guarantee long-lasting performance. The last step to be identified concerns the suppliers of your process, as no matter how reliable your process is, if you don't have the initial elements firmly in place, the final elements will be invariably unstable. The third step will enable you to align your daily actions based on customer needs by firstly creating visual management by way of the team right in the heart of your territory. Once your territory is under control and you have aligned your contribution based on the needs of your customers, you can then launch the third step, which consists in motivating your team and driving them forward. This step is covered in a 15-minute flash meeting based around this visual management. This daily ritual, performed standing up, is the chance for you and your teams to discuss openly on performance issues, problems to be resolved, and the current actions in progress. For you, the lean manager, this daily 15-minute meeting is also the chance for you to rally round your team with energy and enthusiasm. It must also involve and increase self-sufficiency within your team. With this in mind, it's up to your co-workers to update and contribute to your visual management before the meeting. It is also essential that you regularly give each of your co-workers personal responsibility for something, so that the team becomes completely self-sufficient over time. So then, on the day you're not around, the meeting will nevertheless take place as a daily custom, and the level of performance will be maintained. The fourth step of the lean manager is about delegating simple problem solving. Although the 15-minute flash meeting is the time to discuss any problems encountered, the objective is not to deal with them straight away. All problems encountered require a field visit in order to observe and identify the root cause. If the solution can be implemented easily, it will be dealt with quickly. However, if a small study into it is required, a work group will be set up in order to track the resolution method of the problem, as in step 3. In these small improvement projects, your role is to bring forth these tools and methodology and to make your co-workers more efficient when using them. Finally, the fifth step consists in managing the progress plan. When setting up the progress plan, the idea is no longer to react to small day-to-day problems. The challenge here is to work on breakthrough improvements which meet the strategic challenges of your company. In line with visual changes, these increases in performance will make the whole team proud. To summarize, lean management aims to involve field agents on a daily basis in order to improve the performance of their departments. This will firstly be achieved by controlling your territory and aligning your process with the needs of your customers. It will then be achieved daily by getting your team going every day during the 15-minute flash meeting. Between two meetings, the activity will shed light on problems that can be resolved immediately on site. More sensitive issues may require a more formal problem-solving procedure. Finally, managing your progress plan will enable you to achieve jumps in performance to ensure your activity goes the distance and to make your team get around ambitious objectives which meet the strategic challenges of your organization. Right, it's now over to you. So what are your next actions?